Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the best Clean Spin Mop, the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System. If you're tired of mopping your floors with dirty water, this is the solution you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll walk you through why the O-Cedar RinseClean system is a must-have for your home. First off, what sets this mop apart from the rest is its unique dual-chamber bucket system. This innovation means you'll never have to mop with dirty water again. The clean water stays separate from the dirty water, ensuring you can always clean with fresh water from start to finish. No more spreading germs or grime across your floors. It's a game changer for anyone who values cleanliness. Another standout feature is the microfiber mop head. This microfiber technology is engineered to remove dirt, grime, and up to 99% of bacteria, all with just water. You can even add your favorite cleaner if you like, but it's not necessary for spotless results. And because the mop head is machine washable, you can easily reuse it without worry. Just remove the head, toss it in the wash, and it's ready for the next cleaning. Cleaning with the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop is also incredibly easy. The mop head rotates 360 degrees, which allows you to reach every corner, nook, and cranny. Plus, it's safe for all hard floors, including tile, vinyl, hardwood, and laminate. Whether you're mopping under furniture or reaching tight corners, this mop does it all with minimal effort. The bucket is designed for convenience too. It features a built-in foot pedal that makes it easy to control how much water you use, and it's all hands-free. No more wringing out a dirty mop by hand. Simply step on the pedal, and the mop spins clean. And let's talk about durability. The O-Cedar RinseClean system is built to last. The materials are high quality and made to withstand repeated use. Plus, the system's design ensures that you don't have to constantly replace disposable pads or cleaning solutions, saving you both time and money in the long run. Lastly, the mop comes with an adjustable telescopic handle, making it comfortable for anyone to use, no matter their height. It's lightweight, maneuverable, and built to make cleaning as effortless as possible. To sum it all up, the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop and Bucket System is hands down the best spin mop on the market. It makes cleaning easier, faster, and more effective, all while saving you money on disposable cleaning pads. If you're looking for a mop that's going to keep your floors sparkling clean with minimal effort, this is it. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Happy cleaning!